plank jacks, which I can't do. Shorty, excuse me, come over here. Go somewhere else. Good girl. Okay, so plank jacks, great fun cardio plank. Start in hand plank. Shorty, you're gonna have to move. Excuse me, Shorty. Good girl. Okay, so we do jumping jacks. We all know jumping jacks, right? So jumping jacks would look like this. Out and in and out and in and out and in and out and in. Now, can you see? Cat hair. Sorry. Can you see what I did wrong there? So I will explain it. Ideally, you want the hips to remain completely stable, no bouncing. You want your torso, you want everything to be completely the same while the legs are moving. So, hand plank, very strong. Steel that core. And jacks. Super challenging. The hips, of course, can be up a little bit to help protect the spine. Just make sure that they don't drop. And just for reference, I will demonstrate the wrong way again. So it might look like this. And it would be really wrong if you look like this. Which I see a lot. So bring that chest forward, wrap those triceps back, strong core. Of course, you know, if you carry a lot of weight in your lower body, it's going to be very, very challenging, but not impossible. You might want to take it slower instead of doing it that quick, and just really monitor your core strength and how much you can stabilize against that dynamic movement.